I built up a custom Surly Bridge Club to cycle around the world. Hold on, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's take it back a couple months. So today I am embarking on a challenge that is a little terrifying. I am going to build a bike from scratch with my own two hands. I have worked in a bike shop on and off the last 2 years, but mostly in sales. So I've been around bikes a lot, I've learned a lot about bikes, and I can do some basic repairs, but building a bike? Definitely never done anything close to that. But my dream for a while now has been to build up a kind of around-the-world touring bike that I can take all over the world and that I really understand the ins and outs of and feel confident repairing on the road. So I decided that rather than just buying a bike I could ride around the world, that I would pick all the parts myself, choose them carefully, and build up the bike myself. Truth be told, I'm pretty scared that I'll build it wrong, I'll ruin the parts, it'll all fall apart on me on the road. But I really want to understand the intricacies of bikes better. I want to understand how to fix my bikes, and so I'm gonna give it a try. So let's get started. I head down to the shop full of nerves, but soon realize I'm not in this alone, as my mechanic friends Nick and Ian generously offer their wisdom and support. With this confidence boost, I get to building. For my frame and fork, I wanted the durability of steel, as well as a wide clearance for thick off-roading tires. So I selected the Surly Bridge Club. Now it's time to put some stuff on this beauty. I mostly selected Shimano components, as based on my research, they should be among the most easy to repair or replace worldwide. First, I installed the crankset and cassette. After much consideration, I decided on a 2x10 Shimano Dior drivetrain. If you're curious about how I came to this decision or about anything else regarding this build, I'm going to be making a separate video with some Q&As, so let me know any questions you have in the comments below. For my wheels, I'm temporarily using my old set of 650s until I can get a new set of wheels built using DT Swiss 240 hubs and Velocity 27.5 cliffhanger rims. I chose the DT Swiss hubs because it's my understanding that they are highly serviceable, and the Velocity rims because they're supposed to be tough and will let me run tires anywhere from 1.8 to 2.5 inches. And I hope to hit some pretty sweet trails on my adventures. For my brakes, I knew I wanted mechanical disc as I find them stronger than rim brakes but simpler to repair than hydraulic. I chose the TRP Spires. More on that in the Q&A video. I installed new 160mm Shimano rotors and am about to load the wheels into the frame when I hit a roadblock. I have the wrong hub adapters to install my front wheel on my bike, and the correct ones won't be available for months. I am at a loss for what to do. We were at a total standstill because I couldn't find the right hub adapters to convert my front hub from through axle to quick release, but then Ian found this little gem. So let's go try it out. It works! The adapter may not be perfect for long-term use, but it will at least let me finish the build until my new wheels and the correct adapter are ready. Then it's on to my handlebars. I decided to go with the Velo Orange Crazy Bars. As much as I've loved my butterfly bars, I wanted to try something new. I was drawn to the multiple unique hand positions on the Crazy Bars, and I'm excited to give them a try. For my brake levers, I selected Shimano Tiagra, as they're compatible with the Spires. For my shifters, I was heavily considering friction shifters so I'd be able to repair them myself on the road. But in the end, I decided the ease of shifting on a day-to-day basis was more important to me, and selected Shimano Dior's index shifters. Things are going great, until I hit another roadblock. New standstill. I need adapters like this so that my brakes can be mounted. I am learning through this build just how many small parts there are on a bike and how important they are. So the new standstill is unfortunate, but we're learning. So I have ordered the correct size for my rotors, and we'll have to wait just about a week or so until those come in. When the brake adapters arrive, I get those installed on my calipers and mounted to the frame. Nick helped me with installing the headset and chopping the fork down to size. The derailleurs go on, then it's time for cables and housing. Nick comes to the rescue with a creative solution, as cabling this particular front derailleur on this bike isn't the simplest. The chain goes on and shifting gets adjusted. I can't believe it, but we're ready for the last steps. I throw some flat pedals on, because that's how I like to ride. I pick out steel bottle cages because I'm sick of the plastic ones breaking on me. And I install Ergon GA3 grips and Supacaz bar tape, in the hopes that these more ergonomic and cushy options will help my wrists feel happy through tough road vibrations. I am going to throw some fenders and a kickstand on here too for touring, but the bike is ready to ride. I'm still in disbelief, but I have a brand new bike that I built up myself, and I can't wait to ride around the world.